Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a new dish, deboned chicken stock. My good friend Chef Joseph will present to us the ingredients of deboned chicken stock.
Okay guys, today we're going to make our deboned chicken stuff. Of course, we need the chicken first, the deboned chicken. And I already marinated this one with soy sauce and lemon. Also for our stuffing, we need the ground pork, milk, carrots, sweet pickle relish, eggs. We also need onion and carrots, that means carrots and onion. Also, we need cheese, hot dog, and also eggs. Okay, guys, to start. Okay, for our stuffing, guys, we have to combine our ingredients: onion and garlic, carrots, we also need pickles, milk. Then we're going to season with salt and black pepper. Also, we're going to add our egg. And we just combine everything. Okay guys, before we're going to put our stuffing into the chicken, we make sure to sew it first, all the openings of the chicken, so our stuffing won't come out. So you make sure your needles and the thread are clean. Just tie first so it won't loose. Okay, after we sew all the openings of the chicken, then we're going to put our stuffing inside the chicken. Make sure your oven is already preheated for about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you have to put all the meat inside the chicken, the leg part. Then we're going also to put our egg into the stuffing inside the chicken. Then later on we're going to sew again all the openings. Okay, after we sew all the openings of the chicken, then we're going to wrap it in aluminum foil. Okay, after we're going to put it in a tray of our oven. I'm going to put it inside the oven, the preheated oven. And you're going to make it for about 2 hours. And that's all guys for making the chicken stuff, deboned chicken stuff.
So to all my dearest viewers, please like, share, and comments. And if you are first time to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and touch the notification bell. And for the exact amount of the ingredients, please check it out. Check at the screen of your handphone. Thank you very much, and God bless all of us.